Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another haul video. This is a small little Amazon haul, but getting ready to go out of town and I'm gonna put stuff away, and I thought I would share with you in case you're interested. I love watching haul videos. I know you guys seem to like watching my haul videos, so I'm just gonna share what I got. So this die, I mentioned in my last Amazon haul video that I had ordered it. It's from Chaos Crafts. It's the 80s words, or the retro words, 90s sentiments, I think it says. I'll put a picture of it up, and this took forever to get, so it probably came from China instead of an Amazon warehouse, which is fine, but yeah, this took a while, but I'm happy to finally have these. Hopefully I'm really waiting for the Simple Stories. What is it? Is it called Totally 80s, or is it called 90s or retro? It's called something, but it's like a new retro collection that I pre-ordered, so I'm just kind of waiting for that to come in, and that way I can use all of these 80s 90s dies and make a really cool something. What I'm gonna do, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'll just do a junk journal spread with all the 80s 90s stuff. I'm not quite sure, but I'm happy I finally got them. I also picked up this little punch. This was pretty inexpensive, and it's a square punch, and I think it's just 5 holes that it punches. Do I have space? I do. I had gotten this because I had made, it is 5, the mini album out of the, I'm trying to see if I have one handy. I don't think I do. The little mini album I had made out of the index card book from Dollar Tree. And it's great as it is. I felt like I felt wasteful, like ripping out a lot of those pages to use, because it would make it too thick and chunky. But I like the concept. I like the size of it. I think it's a great size for like just a little quick mini album. But I have a cinch. I have like the big cinch, but I have the circle one, and it just felt too big for what I was looking for. So I got this thinking that I could probably just make my own. I already have like the binders, circle stuff, not disc, yeah, but like the spirals that snap together. So I was like, oh, I think this will work. The only problem is it's not super thick. So you're definitely gonna, like, if you are making stuff that's like pockets and stuff like that, like you're probably gonna want to make the holes as you go, and because I don't know how thick. I'm trying to think, like, do I have paper that I can just mess around with? I don't want to like punch, but I'm just trying to see like how many layers would fit. So this is, let's say this is 3 layers. Oh, that fits. I don't know if you're gonna get more than like 3 layers. I mean, this is all cardstock though, not paper. 3 layers fits snugly. So if you were doing like a pocket that's glued and stuff, I probably, yeah, just I would be careful. So I'll probably do something when I get back from vacation with this. I do want to try to make my own little mini album instead of utilizing the index card ones. So I also got this stamp. Somebody posted this stamp that it was on sale last week. I'm trying to think of who it was. I seen it on Instagram, somebody's Instagram story, and I went over and got it because it was really cute. It's just like a circle, like a stitched circle, like so a faux stitching. And I think that this will be really cute in journals and stuff like that. I don't have anything like this in my stamp collection. And, as much as I want to be a sew girly, I am not yet. I will get there. I'm just not there yet. So one of these days I will have enough brain power where I can sit down and just learn the skill. Because I do have a crafty friend that said that she would help me. So there's that. Next, I got a bunch of like bling stuff. So I had gotten these clips from Temu. This is a bigger one, and I have these little ones, and I want to jazz them up. I want to bling them up and make them fabulous. One for myself, and then these little guys, I'm in the Sisterhood of a Traveling Journal, if you didn't know. And I thought that I might be able to, every time I get a new journal, maybe make some little ones that are catered to whoever's journal that is. And that's like my little gift to them. So that is my idea for those. So in lieu, I have like all different colors of these, but I got these little mini, these are nail art little alphas. They are cute. I do have like a silicone mold, so I could make some resin letters myself, but you know, sometimes it's already nice, and these are kind of glittery. I think the one I have is slightly even smaller than this, so I like this size because I thought that this would go, it would fit on this well, so I could put, like, personalize it, either put their name or their handle, whatever. So I can personalize it. I do have quite a bit of nail charms, but I just wanted some other options. I got this one because it's red. It's got strawberries and it's got little flowers. So it's got red, pink, and clear. Do I have a little dish? I do. Hopefully you'll be able to see it on this dish. But it's just got, like, they're just nail charms, basically. But it's got a whole bunch of little stuff. I already have a lot of little bows. But I liked the little flowers. Like, there's little roses, littler bows than I have. There's little cherries, there's strawberries, there's butterflies, there's hearts. I just thought that this was a cute mix to, you know, do these, and with the letters, I just think it would be cute. I also picked up some here. Let's see. Let me put this away so I can show you strawberries. Okay, so these are the strawberries. There's a few different sizes and a few different colors. And strawberries, it's like a strawberry summer. I have a bunch of strawberry stuff that I need to craft with. I have a lot of strawberry loving friends. So I thought that this would be a cute mix. So you have like a cream color, like a darker fuchsia, like a medium pink, and then a really pale pink. And then you have some little red ones. There is some bigger red ones. They just didn't come out. See, there's some bigger red ones, some little pink ones. I just thought it was a good mix. I don't have anything like this. I have strawberries, but not like this. So I got that. I do have a lot of like rhinestones and halfback pearls, but I got this set because I needed more. Oops. I needed more pinks. I think like that's what I use the most of, so I wanted more pink options, and this has multiple different sizes. Again, I'll link all these down below so you can see how much they are. I think this might have been $10. I'm not quite sure, but you do get your little tools like a wax pencil. You get some little tweezers and a thing of B7000. But this is this one. It's got multiple different colors and multiple sizes, which I like. I like having all those options. So I really like this like corally pink color. So yeah, look at all those, all different sizes. I think that these could be so pretty, blinging things up. So that is my goal for those, and that is my haul. So basically I just got stuff to make some little, you know, journal clips that I can send to my friends, and you know, if I don't know if it goes well, I'll keep on doing them. But I think that this will be a cute little addition to the journals that I'm getting. So I'm already like somewhat halfway through one group, and I just started in another group, so I'll do them for the new group. I wish I could do it for the other group, but again, I'm already halfway through, so half the girls wouldn't get them, and that's, you know, not quite fair. So that is my plan. If you have any questions, let me know, and when I get back from vacation, hopefully I can play with some stuff and share my journey with this. I think that these will be super cute and easy. I've done a lot of blinged up stuff before, like the junky chains and stuff, so I will, when I get back, I'll show you how I'm gonna make these little journal clips, and hopefully I can move on to some mini albums as well, because I had so much fun making that, and I just want to make all kinds more. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.